Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Toya Rey. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you all had a great and wonderful new year, and I hope you're excited about 2021. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you'll know when I upload. Make sure you like the video, drop me a comment, let me know how you feel about the video, if you liked it or whatnot. Speak your mind. For all of my goddesses that are coming back to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in again. As you can tell, I got a new laptop. Video editing is so much better. Sorry for the delay in videos. I had to learn how to work my computer here. I switched from a Windows-based laptop to a MacBook Pro, so it was kind of a learning curve. Figuring out some things and getting things that worked on my Windows PC to the MacBook, but we're here now. I got it all figured out and I'm excited about this year. Goddesses, like, I have something coming up that's very exciting. I am going to share with you guys very soon. It's work in progress. It's almost here. I cannot wait to show you guys and to share with you the news. I'm super excited, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna briefly tell you guys what's going on in this video. Client received an Olaplex and protein treatment. Now, her hair was really damaged and really weak for just not enough self-care. Color, you guys, is high maintenance. It is a luxury service. I'm gonna say it again. Color is a luxury service, especially if it requires you to lift pigment out of your hair, which means bleaching. For the consumer side, bleaching your hair, or on the professional side, lightening, using lightener to lighten your hair to remove pigment to achieve a color. Blondes is high maintenance. You have to make sure that you have a good at-home care routine for your hair in between your salon visits. It's imperative that you keep up with your trims. It's imperative that you make sure that your hair is moisturized so that you can avoid getting damage to your hair. A lot of times people will say, oh, well, the color damaged my hair. The color didn't damage your hair. It's the lack of care after you receive the color service that caused damage to your hair. So when you're getting a color service and you're thinking about, especially colors that are light, bright, vibrant colors, and your hair may have to be lifted to achieve that color, please take that in consideration, the maintenance that comes along with that service. Like, if you are not the person that likes to tie your hair up at night, have a good hair care regimen, do something to your hair, comb it, brush it, that's not the service for you. Stay away from color. Just wear your natural color, get a wig, color that, and call it a day. But in this service, we did do an Olaplex treatment and a protein treatment. Olaplex to, of course, rebuild the bonds and the hair that's broken, and a protein treatment to help stop the breakage and to strengthen her hair. Olaplex also is going to aid in strengthening her hair as well and making it manageable, but the protein treatment is going to take it a little bit further. Yes, you can do both services and at the same time, well, not at the same time, but in the same service. You can do both of these treatments. Keep in mind that the Olaplex treatment is not a chemical treatment. It is not a chemical treatment. The protein treatment is a chemical treatment. So therefore, you can do these services in the same day. And I absolutely love combining the Olaplex treatment and a protein treatment in my services. And you guys are just going to see the difference in her hair. Alright, so here is a picture of her hair before we got started with the service, and as you can see from that picture, like where that color is, her hair is just damaged. So we're going to get rid of most of that color in this service so that we can get her off to a better start. Like the video said, title said, we're only doing healthy hair in 2021, period. Okay, there's no other options. Okay, It's only healthy hair in 2021, and I am here to help you ladies get back on track if you need to be placed back on track with your hair. That is what we're doing in 2021, okay? With that said, I'm gonna let you guys sit back and enjoy the video, get some music going for you guys. guys, so we are approaching the end of the video, and I just wanted to come in and thank you guys so much for watching the video. You're gonna love the results. All right, so I have one request. My 36th birthday is coming up in February, and my birthday goal is to get to 3,600 subscribers for my 36th birthday. So help a girl out. Let's get to 36,000 for my birthday, and if we hit that goal, I will have something very, 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 very special for you guys. Okay, I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Let's do it. Let's subscribe, support your girl. I got more videos coming for you. Thank you again for tuning in. You guys have a good one, and I hope that your new year is off to a good start. Drop a comment below. Tell me one of your goals for the New Year's, whether it's business or personal. I love to hear it. Let me know where you're watching from. Until next time, goddesses, y'all have a good one.